Beautifully still and quiet out here. No airplane noise, can hardly hear the traffic. Just a nice plot of land along the river. Nice rainy river that I'm glad that they decided to protect here so we could all come and enjoy. Way to go, Franz. To Franz Jevne, I don't know how to say it. We'll have to figure it out. But then I'm also spending the night in Zippel Bay, so I have about 45 more minutes until I get to Franz J, and then I'll check in with you guys there. Oh, here we go, Franz Jevne. Nice balmy 50 degrees here in October 7th, 2025. Just driving around the campsite. It's kind of interesting. All the sites have these covered picnic tables. Something you don't see all the time. Looks like those people didn't get lucky enough to get one. It's kind of interesting though. Not something you see every day. I'm gonna park here and hike. Here I am. Franz Jevne. Right here. I think I might go do some trails. See where I end up. Gotta check out the outcrop. Man, it's a little chilly. 50 degrees. There's a site down that way. Yeah. I'll just cut down there. Said it's peak colors right now on the color finder, but I think a lot of the leaves are down already, unfortunately. The rainy river. This is the hiking club trail. I'm glad it's not more breezy. It's chilly enough. Yeah, so this is my 63rd Minnesota State Park. There are 65. And I am staying at Zippel Bay tonight, which is just west of here along the Rainy River as well. So yeah, looking forward to getting 63 and 64. So check this out. Kind of got a Boundary Waters feel a little bit. Here is the site. I'm glad no one's here. I don't want to disturb their camp. Yeah, that's a site. Kind of nice here by the river. I bet when it's a little higher, probably has some rapids here. Beautifully still and quiet out here. No airplane noise, can hardly hear the traffic. Just a nice plot of land along the river. Nice rainy river. And I'm glad that they decided to protect here so we could all come and enjoy. Way to go, Franz. Look at these, I think they're called glacier erratics. Look at the size of that sucker. Jeez. Franz Jevne. Gotta check out that rock outcrop. Some people filling up their air mattress up there. Here we are. 67. Franz Jevne. There's the trail, been on that. Didn't get a chance to fish, but that's an amazing fish. Chilled in the picnic area. And I saw a bald eagle. I wish I got that on camera. Yeah. Not too much to it, but it's definitely got some character as far as the river views and kind of out of the way, not too busy. It's supposed to be peak fall colors, like I said before, so there are actually quite a few people camping in the park. So that's always good to see. I don't want it to be deserted. I want a little solitude, but I also want to see people around. But yeah, this place is great. Got to check it out at least once. Maybe you'll be lucky enough to see some eagles. Go check out the rock outcrop. And then I'm on my way to Zippel Bay, where, like I said before, I'm spending the night at Lady Slipper Campground in there on Site 10. I got some chicken wings to make, some chicken drummies, so stick around to check it out. You better believe it. Hate to say it, but you might want to pass on Site 2. It is literally the road. Just a heads up. Still got a little bit of color. I think those are poplars. There's the outcrop. See if I can get a better view. Yeah. If I was spending the night here, I'd probably go and hike that just to check it out. Yep. Even though this park is small, it's got a lot of character. I like these covered picnic tables. It's kind of fun. Oh, here comes some traffic. The rock outcrop. Outcrop of Franz. It's a pretty sweet sight with the rock outcrop in the back. What site is this? Site 18. That one's money. When you get out here, yeah, you really got to go to that picnic area. That was really kind of the shining light to me out here. It's great river views, got a cool sandy beach down there and rocky. Hang out there all day long and have a picnic. But now I am heading to Zippel Bay.